Frau Gurmai.
Ms. Gurmai.
Thank you very much. As many of us in the House, I am somewhat torn. On the one hand, I can appreciate that the majority of European decision makers recognises the need for immediate action in order to handle the crisis, which is not only economic any longer. I agree. On the other hand, I am convinced that our point of departure is not the adequate one. Of course, we cannot do without financial stability and strict rules, but in my opinion, the root of the problem is that there has not been enough attention and emphasis on growth, employment and social inclusion. Understandably, the majority of the Conservative leaders were too preoccupied by the austerity measures. Big mistake. In addition, I am not convinced about the form of the crisis handling either. We should follow the community method because we cannot let Europe diverge from what it represents. The foundation of the European construction, a way of working together, no matter the differences between the member states. Apart from this, I underline an important point. The EP is the only directly elected body among the institutions. Our President should fully participate in the Euro Summit. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Gurmai. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Matias is next.
Thank you very much, President. At the last Council meeting, President Barroso presented a PowerPoint, which was a didactic, and in this PowerPoint, one of the